Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura and a Micro 90 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was having error seats, and that's something that we did not really saw when we were testing the machine. We took these panels off, this one and this one, and we were really running the whole water through the whole machine, through the hot water one, through the steamer, through the coffee cup grade, and we were trying to replicate the error. Error seats is related to the ceramic valve, and we were checking that as well. We checked the ceramic valve to make sure that it's not leaking and it was working properly. And every time we were trying to get hot water or steam, the ceramic valve was actually working properly, sending the water straight to where we wanted it to be, either the hot water or the steamer or the spouts. So we didn't saw that error. We did some service on this machine by descaling the machine, cleaning up one inside, servicing the brew unit, cleaning a bit of the grinder, and doing a clean cycle as well as a descaling cycle of the machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing out this machine. We do not have the hose of this ENA Micro 90. We have this hose is from a Jura S9, so it's not going to do a perfect seal, but we'll still be able to test the steamer as you see in here. I got a hole over here because if I let go, it's gonna come out like that. Like I said, this is not the hose of the machine, but as you can see, we're having a nice steady steam coming out through the machine as it's supposed to be. Look at that steam, look at that pressure, and it's siphoning the liquid correctly as is. So yeah, it's working. Now I'm gonna stop it over here because we do not have any a lot of liquid over here. I did not put enough. And then we're going to be testing the spouts. As you can see, steady stream coming out through the spouts. Excellent color as well. Three ounces of coffee, 3 ounces and a half of coffee. That's how the customer program it. I'm not going to adjust that. As you can see, hot water comes out throughout the hot water one with a nice steady stream and with great temperature as well. So there you have it, Jura and a Micro 90 working once again and ready to brew with no error seats. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.